Hello my dear kids, today we are together with DP Kids YouTube channel to create beautiful crafts. You have been drawing beautiful pictures so far. I have seen a lot of beautiful creative drawings. So hereafter we are doing origami. I know that once you hear the name origami, you know what it is. It's a beautiful art which everyone can enjoy. And we hope to create lots of beautiful, attractive, different types of origami crafts with you. Today I decided to teach my kids how to make a beautiful tulip flower like this. This is really easy. Any of you all can find a piece of paper and make this beautiful tulip flower. Let's see what we need to make this tulip. Generally, when you do an origami craft, there is a standard size for the paper. Normally, both length and width should be 15 centimeters, a square-shaped paper. As you can see here, my kids, this flower is little bit smaller and the leaf is quite big. Then we have to change the sizes. If you are going to use a 15 by 15 piece of paper to make the leaf, take a smaller size, just like 10 by 10. Take smaller size anyway to make the flower. So my leaf is 15 by 15 and the flower is 10 by 10. So hurry up, get ready with the papers. Let's make this beautiful tulip flower today. Right, now I am going to make this flower first. First of all, we take this red color paper. If you have cut this out by an A4 paper, you will get the same color on both sides. But today, I selected this paper for the demonstration, which has two different colors. So today I have red and the other side white. So you can clearly see the folding lines and methods with this. Okay kids, if you also can find a wrapping paper or something like that, it would be more easy for you all to learn all these folding lines. So now we take the other side of the paper, white side, and keep it into a diamond shape, not the square. Now take the corner, top corner, and fold it towards the opposite corner, like this. Okay, right. Press it. Now you can see a triangle. As you can see, this triangle has two sides, open side and the closed side. We keep the open side upwards and the closed edge to our side as the base. Now we got a nice triangle here. This is the longest side, and we need to mark the exact middle, center. So we got the right corner to the left and slightly put a mark, slightly. Be careful not to fold hard, unless you would get too many lines which make your flower look unpleasant. Okay. Once you mark the middle, take the right corner and bring it closer to the top corner. Not exactly on the top, just bring it closer and fold it like this. You can press hard to make a proper line. Once you get it on the correct position, do the same to the other side as well. See, this is so easy. Now we are done with the tulip. We can make variations. Now what we already made looks like a tulip, but I'll make and show you like this. We can fold this. Now I'm going to make it again. See whether you can remember the steps. First the triangle, then we mark the center, then bring the corners upwards. You can remember what we did, right? Okay. Leave a space and fold it. If we bring this too closer to the middle line, wait, I'll show you. If you fold the corners too closer, it would look more like a tulip bud. I'll teach you how to make a bloomed one. You can choose any color you like to make this flower. Right. Now you make the triangle first, then we mark the middle, the center, then we bring the corners, right? But now we are not bringing too closer, right? Get it little bit away from the peak. If you want to bloom more, move the two corners apart, right? Okay, now it's done. Can you see the difference? Bud and the bloomed flower. Now let's learn how to make the leaf of this flower. Hope you can remember I told you that you need to get a bigger paper to make the leaf. Now as you can see, my green color paper is quite big than the yellow color one. Okay, now this is very easy. I'm going to teach you how to do this. Turn the other side. Get the top corner on the opposite corner. Okay. Be careful not to move the edges here and there, right? Otherwise it will look messy. Okay, carefully press this. Now get the open side and hold both faces together. Both faces, right? Both together. And bring this edge to the closed edge. Like this. Then you get a small triangle here. Okay. Now my dear kids, you can see this new line here. Yes, the smaller triangle line. Bring this point, right? This point along the edge and fold. Carefully bring it. Okay, press. I'll show you again. Make sure that you are not folding from here, right? Just pass the line and bring the point along the edge and fold. Be careful, right? Press this to fix. Right. Okay, done. Now, yes. Now we are done with the leaf. Look. Our tulip flower is done. Is it beautiful? We can use some glue to paste this leaf to the stem. Then you can apply some glue again. Right. Now we pasted it on the paper. Okay, I'm applying some gum on the flower. Right. See, it's a very beautiful tulip flower. Now see, finally we have made a beautiful tulip flower. I can see all of you have made beautiful flowers and you are very happy with that. Here see, you can make lots of beautiful crafts like this if you stay tuned with us. Here another origami flower. Beautiful creations you can do with us. So I invite all of you to stay with DP Kids YouTube channel. Not just origami, using origami and your previous drawings. Let's do a lot of wonderful, attractive creations in the future. So I hope to see you again with a creative episode. Stay safe, my kids.